Hi, YouTube.
Yo, sometimes you got to get it in, even when the weather wants to get you in. Yo, YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews. Today, I'm getting a run in, but an unexpected rainstorm is now going to let me test the ability of these Dr. Dre Powerbeats Pros, see how waterproof they really are. I'm catching it out here. It's a 3-mile run, short, but I'm soaking wet. But I'll get back to you once I get home and get dried off. And then, look, it's fucking raining out here. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to curse. But anyway, I'll get back to you when I get home, dried off, and I'll dry the beats off and we'll see how well they work. All right, it's your boy GB. Let's get at it. Yo, sometimes you got to get it in, even when the weather wants to do you in. Yo, I'm out here in a torrential downpour, getting this run in. What's your excuse? Yo. So I'm looking at these headphones, and they don't seem too worse for wear. I'm going to try them out just to see if they'll connect. I'm not sure they will, but like I said, you saw I was out in a torrential downpour, and it was crazy. And who knows? Maybe it'll be fine. I'm about to connect these things right now. I'm connecting them to a phone that's on my device network, but not my normal phones. I just want to see if they work. So you're not supposed to go swimming in them. And you're not supposed to like submerge them, but I think you can get wet in them, no problem. I have it in. Yeah, I mean this one works anyway. So let's see if this one works. Oh, it stopped for some reason. Let's try it again. All right, so yeah, they immediately picked up. I didn't have a problem, and what I do like is they work just like the AirPods. You pull them out, they work. You put them back in, they start to work, which is pretty good. What I was worried about initially, just out in the rain, is they seem sealed, and of course the hole right here is in your ear, so unless you're really just catching it, it shouldn't get wet. I was worried a little bit about the rocker here, and then these buttons on the bottom. So they don't seem to be too worse for wear, but the instructions say to definitely let them dry off before you put them back in the case. So I have not put them in the case since I got home. I just put them out. I just put them on a towel like this to let them dry, to see if they were, truly waterproof. I think so. The sound quality was good when I was running with them. This was actually my first time to run with them since I got them. And who knew that I would be caught in a rainstorm? But it was really good. I can't complain about that. All in all, I mean, I really like these Powerbeats Pros. Apple, Monster, and Dr. Dre Beats have outdone themselves with this design. This is really, for me, a person whose ear doesn't really fit those, whose ear doesn't fit the AirPods really well. These are great. And then, I'm a person who's not opposed to spending the money on good headphones, so I was gonna get the B&O ones, the ear ones. But I heard that they definitely don't hold up to getting wet, so I just I decided to go with these, and I'm pleasantly surprised. I would say that I definitely recommend these. I would say if you're caught out in the rain, don't worry about it. You saw, I put it on the video, you saw the type of rain I was out in, and I just stopped under the tree just to film that really quickly, but I was catching it for probably 2.5 of the 3 miles that I ran today. I was catching it, and I was soaked. And I was I was more worried about my my iPhone 10 S Max than I was worried about these things, I think, because the other thing, American Express will cover you for 90 days for purchases, so buy your items with American Express. Anyway, this is your boy GB Reviews. I think that's it. I'm gonna upload this video just so you can see how they held up. So far, all in all, I'm happy with these. Sound quality is good. Ability to work out, good. Popping in and out, good. I've had some minor issues with connections, but I think it might be just some kind of growing pains because they're brand new, but we'll see. All right, it's your boy GB Reviews. Thank you for watching. Please comment, subscribe below, hit the bell if you want the notifications, and I'm out.